Hariam children, this is exercise number 7.3, last sum. A shuttlecock used for playing badminton has the shape of a frustum of a cone. So this is a frustum and affixed with a hemisphere at the bottom. Okay, is mounted on a hemisphere. This part is hemisphere. The diameter of the frustum are 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So here the big mouth has diameter 5 centimeter. So capital R is 5 by 2 centimeter. The small d will be 2 centimeter and small r will be 2 by 2, 1 centimeter. The height of the entire shuttlecock is 7. This full part is 7. Find the external surface area. So we need to find what is the radius of the hemisphere. First we will write the formula. So we need not be confused. External surface area is equal to curved surface area of the frustum plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. So that the formula will be curved surface area of the frustum. Formula will be curved surface area of the frustum pi into capital R plus small r into L plus curved surface area of the hemisphere will be 2 pi r square units. Here r is there for hemisphere. Hemisphere and small r will be the same. And here curved surface area of the frustum, capital R we have found out, small r also we have found out. We have to find out what is the slant height L. Okay, to find out the slant height, let us do the calculation first. So slant height L is equal to root of capital R minus small r the whole squared plus h squared. So I need the height of the frustum alone. For the frustum, height will be 7 minus 1. The whole height minus the radius of the hemisphere and the height of the hemisphere are same. Already we have seen it. Okay. So h is equal to 6 centimeter. So now let me substitute and find out what is L. Root of capital R minus small r. Capital R is 5 by 2 minus small r is 1 the whole squared plus 6 squared is 6 squared is h squared. Okay, take LCM. 2 will be your LCM. 5 minus 2 plus 6 squared is 36, which is equal to root of 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 divided by 2 plus 36. Again take LCM. LCM will be 2. 3 plus 72. 72 plus 3 is root of 75 divided by 2. Root of 75 divided by 2 is, if you cancel in the second table, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10. Root of 37.5. We can find it out in the log book. Okay children, we have done a mistake here. The whole squared we have left it out. 5 minus 2 is 3 by 2. The whole square. It is 9 divided by 4. So 4 is your LCM. 4 into 36. 6 4s are 24. Balance 2. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. 144. 144 plus 9. 144, 153. 153 divided by 4. We will cancel in the fourth table directly. So So you will get 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 23, 6 4s are 24. Now 5 4s are 20, balance 3, it is 30, 7 4s are 28, balance 2, 5 4s are 20, 35.75. Okay, some changes over here. 38.25 it comes. 38.25. 153 divided by 4. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 33. 8 4s are 32. Remainder 1, 10. 2 times 8, remainder 2, 20. 5 4s are 20. So 38.25 it is, which is equal to root of 38.25. Let me see in the log book. 38.25. So in the square roots from 10 to 100, we will sort out where is 38. 2 is here. This line 2. 38.2 is 6.181. And mean difference 5 is 4. (6.181) plus 4. So you will get, you should add it at the end. You will get 6.185. So answer is 6.185. For what? For the slant height. So we have found out what is L. Now let me substitute here, okay, which is equal to pi. Write the formula first. Pi into capital R plus small r into L plus 2 pi r square units. I will take pi common here. Capital R plus small r. Capital R is 5 by 2. Small r is 1 into L is 6.185 plus 2 into small r square. It is 1 square. 22 by 7. Take LCM. 2. So 5 plus 2 into 6.185 plus 2. This 2 and 22 can get cancelled. It is 11. 11 by 7 into 5 plus 2 is 7 into 6.185 plus 2. Now this 7 and 7 will get cancelled. Now multiply these two. 6.185 into 11. We will get 6185. 6185. Add it. 13. Remainder 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 6. So 68.035 plus 2. The answer will be answer is 73.39, but we are not getting it. We'll see where is the mistake. Pi r into here we have to take pi in common, means the bracket, the pi must come for the whole term. Okay children, now this is going to be wrong. So it is 22 by 7 into, while taking LCM you will get 5 plus 2, 7 by 2, I am writing it directly, into 6.185 plus 2. Okay, now 22 by 7 into, multiply these two, 6.185 into 7. First cancel it, otherwise you will get it easily. 3 2s are 6, 0, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 5. Now multiply. 7 5s are 35. remainder 3, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, remainder 1, 9 7s are 63, 64, remainder 6, 7 3s are 21. So it is 21.6475 plus 2. We will get 22 by 7 into 21 plus 2, you will get 23.6475. Cancel it. 3 7s are 21, balance 2, 26, 3 7s are 21 again, 7, 8 times, we will get 2 times and 1. It goes on as such. We will stop here. Now we will multiply this answer by 22. 3.37821 into 22. When we multiply 16, 1, 7 2s are 14, 15, 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 2s are 6, 2, 4, 6, 5, 7, 6, 2, 6, 10, 1, 12, 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7, 7, 14, 6 plus 1, 7. The answer is 74.320. 62 centimeter square approximately. So with this, sum number 8 is completed. Hari Om.